What's going on? My name is Aquarius, and I'm showing my journey with growing out my hair. Today we're reviewing the Shea Moisture product with Curl and Shine shampoo to help promote healthy hair growth for curly hair, or for those of you that are trying to get curls. This product is also being done with the conditioner. That's with the coconut hibiscus. This is a great combination for those of you that want to promote healthy hair growth with no added preservatives. And again, I'm no hair expert. The first thing I just do is simply just, get my hair wet, get it moisturized, just and ready, just so therefore I can get a better chance of improving my chances of getting the results that I want. First thing first is getting that shampoo ready, because the shampoo is what you want to do is just wash your hair out, add a little bit of activator into your hair, and just pretty much massage it into your scalp, just so therefore it can pretty much clean out any excess dirt or oils that you've created over the week. Okay, this is something that you're going to do about once a week. That's what's been recommended, just because, again, you don't want to wash your hair daily. And the best thing about this product is the fact that it does smells wonderful. As I said, it does, mix with the coconut and the hibiscus oil, and as well as other natural remedies that are in the product to help promote healthy growth. Okay, after you washing your hair, you're going to go ahead and add the conditioner into your hair, and then you just want to massage this into your scalp for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, it's not greasy. Like I said, it smells wonderful, has a lot of great nutritious ingredients into your hair to help promote that healthy hair growth. And again, I'm just giving you guys my journey, first impression on what this particular product does. And again, I'm no expert. I just want to kind of just show you guys kind of what it has done for me so far. And it's cool. I like the fact of how it feels in my hair. I like the fact of how it smells. And the most important thing, doing this once a week is pretty much the recommended way to pretty much go with this particular product. All right, just massaging it in my hair after drying it off. Kind of just seeing how it activates. These are kind of what you pretty much are seeing right now as far as what it left the impression with me for after utilizing this product. And, it definitely is something that I'm having to train for. I'm not expert, like I said, but this is what I'm getting. I thought my curls were going to pop out, but I think it's definitely something that I'm going to have to continue to train for. And I'm going to be utilizing this product weekly just to see how it works. And I will be giving you guys an updated, video impression just to kind of, show you guys how it's been working so far. I mean, as if you can see, it is showing some definitions, but overall, not every area of my hair is being, showing the pop out curls. So honestly, my first impression with this product is it's okay. It's so. I definitely not gonna blame it just because I'm still a novice with this stuff. But I did want to give you guys my first impression with this product. And I do other videos on Shea Moisture, so check out my other videos as well, just to kind of get an idea of some of the other products that I utilize on my face. As far as this is just content that I share to help improve your confidence, improve the quality of your relationships. I do share personal development content, so if you like content like that, definitely hit the subscribe button, and tell me in the comments below, what are you doing to help grow your hair? This is just something that I am doing as a case study to kind of just do something different in this year, 2022 and beyond. And, I definitely want to get your guys' ideas and tips on what you're doing for your hair. And again, like I said, I'm no expert or anything, but I just wanted to just kind of share my hair growth journey with you all, and just kind of be transparent of just some of the things that's been working for me and things that I'm doing to help improve my hair and quality, as well as just overall in life. All right, so definitely tell me in the comments how is it working for you. And again, my name is Aquarius. If you like content that's going to improve your relationships as well as improve your confidence, definitely subscribe and check out my other videos. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.